Hi, my name is Felipe Soto. I am a multifamily investor. We first heard about ACE Septic and Waste when we initially did the underwriting and inspection of the apartment, as it became evident that we would need a company to replace the current septic tank. Since we started working with ACE, it's been smooth sailing. ACE Septic definitely takes their time to walk you through the entire process. Before we did any business with them, they laid out the plan. My experience with ACE's technicians has been phenomenal. They're fast to response, very knowledgeable, and they're very attentive. In addition to that, whenever we call on them for any issue or concern we have, they respond within 24 hours, and even sometimes they'll just come and meet us at the property and help us sort out any questions and concerns we have. They've been phenomenal from beginning to end. Makes you feel confident about working with a company that stands behind their products and services.